All right, when you want to take first?
Uh, we can start with Kenneth Tyson, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Calling tickets number P1149026 and P1458771. These are all City versus Kenneth Tyson. I have failure to display, failure to signal, and driving while unlicensed. The failure to signal is a civil infraction, so already in default if not paid already. Nothing we can do with that one, but we have the driving while unlicensed and failure to display. Counsel.
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Kenneth Tyson.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's the arraignment. Mr. Tyson waives before reading, stands mute to the charges.
Thank you. Court notes formal reading has been waived. Enters a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. As to bond.
Yes, thank you. Your Honor, defendant wishes to accept.
Sorry, that was an old days throwback. Sorry, as to bond. Your argument. What are we doing today, counsel?
Defendant wishes to accept the offer of the prosecution as to the no operator's license on person's ticket. Defendant would be pleading to that charge with a reduction to failure to display, and driving while licensed ticket will be dismissed.
All right, thank you, Mr. Tyson. Does that sound correct to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody promise you anything else? Get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth?
I swear to tell the truth.
Thank you, sir. Is it true that on May 11th of 2023 in the area of Piedmont and Whitlock that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Your plea is accepted. Counsel satisfied as to factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Tyson, $190, 60 days to get it paid or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse to keep your deal in place. Have a great day. All right, who's next, Attorney Soroki?
Ramon Taylor.
Okay. All right. There's quite a few here. I've got, let's just see what's going on with these. Sorry. These are all, why? Oh, they all have registers of actions with them. That's why. Okay. All right. So I have ticket number P1313902, counts 1, 2, and 3, P1270584, counts 1 and 2, and P1546284, count 1. Counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, appearing on behalf of Mr. Ramon Taylor. You know, I have to talk to him again. I see more tickets on the docket than what I had discussed with him.
Okay.
Let's see. I think. All right, I'll go talk to him again. If you can put him back.
Is that because some of these tickets were not listed on the docket?
Well, I see there's 5 tickets on the docket. 5. And
can I just ask you where yours, because maybe the names got split up, because that does happen sometimes. I only see 2 on the docket at 8:30.
On the next page.
Oh, okay. They did get split up. But
right.
That's 1 count of failure to display. And then on the next page, he has, where's the next page?
2 IPs. Actually, I think I did. I'm sorry. I went over with it. He has 2 IPs.
Right. That's what I was matching up. It looks like this is.
That's his complete
correct.
offer. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. So the plea agreement is to 1 count of failure to display a valid license, 2 counts of improper plates. Everything else would be dismissed. Mr. Taylor, is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial? Mr. Taylor, did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Did he advise you of the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand that you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial.
Yes, ma'am.
Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear to tell the truth today?
I swear. I do.
Sir, thank you, sir. Is it true that on February 18th of 2022, in the area of Van Buren and Hayden, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
That's true.
Is it also true that you did not have proper plates on your vehicle at that time due to a lack of insurance?
That's true.
Is it also true that you did not have proper plates on your vehicle at the time due to a lack of registration?
That's true.
Thank you. Counsel, are you satisfied?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Mr. Taylor, you have 3 fines to pay. The first one is going to be $190. The other 2 I can reduce to $100 since they're on the same ticket. I'm going to give you 90 days. Within those 90 days, you need to do one of 2 things: pay the tickets off in full or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor of the courthouse to keep this deal in place, okay?
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Can we get Willie Perry done since he's a dismissal? Counsel, you okay with that?
I'm fine. That's fine, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Perry, turn on your camera, please. Calling ticket number P1917437 and P1917419. These are all City versus Willie Perry. I have all paper tickets, insurance, registration, and plates, and driver's license. Counsel.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Willie Perry.
Yes. Your Honor, at this time, defense moves to dismiss these matters for valid documents.
All right, thank you. Motion to dismiss is granted. Have a good day, Mr. Perry.
Thank you.
Okay. Then we'll go to Zakoria Thompson. Ms. Thompson, go ahead and start your camera, please. Calling ticket number P1911250, City versus Zakoria Thompson. Counsel.
Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
Zarkoria Thompson.
Thank you. Looks like I have charges of reckless driving and disregarding a traffic control device. Counsel, how are we proceeding?
The defendant is pleading to a reduced charge of careless driving, and the remaining charge will be dismissed.
All right, thank you. Okay, Ms. Thompson, so you're going from reckless driving, which would be a misdemeanor, to careless driving, which is a civil infraction. I'm sorry. Thank you. And they're going to dismiss the disregarding traffic control device. Is that consistent with your understanding?
Yes,
Okay, just raise your right hand, please, and swear to tell the truth.
I swear.
Is it true? Thank you. Is it true that on May 12th of 2026 in the area of Joy Road and Minnick Street that you were driving carelessly?
No, I don't recall on Joy Road and on my street. Oh, okay. Yes.
It was Joy Road and Minnick.
Minnock, yes.
Okay.
It's called-
And do you know what you were doing to drive carelessly at that time?
I was sick. I suffer from depression and schizophrenia.
Okay.
So that's why I missed those court dates because I was in the hospital. I do have paperwork for that as well.
Okay, you're not in trouble for missing your court dates. Were you speeding? Did you run the light like they said? Did you do those
No,
things?
I know I was speeding. Yes, I remember
Okay,
that.
all right. All right, but then they also have you for the disregarding a traffic control device of some sort. And if those two are combined, then that would consist of the careless driving. And so if you ran a traffic, if you disregarded a traffic control device along with speeding, that would get you there. All right. You said 210, Madam Clerk?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. $210, Ms. Thompson, but I'll give you 60 days to pay it also in the 60 days, if you can't get it all paid, you can see the cashiers down in the first floor of the courthouse, and they can put you on a much longer term payment plan. They're just going to want a down payment from you. And you have to give them the down payment within the 60 days. Okay. That'll keep your deal in place.
I know I already paid 129 already.
Okay. So then, yeah, you can come and ask them to just apply what you paid already to this ticket, and then you'll have less to pay. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.
Judge, Mr. Pleasant, do you want to, because he has other tickets that are in warrant status and default, do you want to have those tickets pulled out of warrant status and default, then have him come back for, so we can get
Yeah,
another
that
offer?
sounds like a good idea, especially since we don't have Attorney Horn today. So that's probably a good way to go.
Okay, thank you. I'll pull him out.
Okay, thank you.
Already went through this file. One is on the document, it's just that first one.
Okay.
Everything after is in warrant.
Thank you. All right. And we can deal with the one today. If he's got the proof of insurance and stuff today, we can at least deal with that. We can set a new date on his other ones. Because it looks like those were going to be dismissals for today. Because he's got proof, so no point. There's really no point in just making
Pull him out
hearing
and
them.
see what he has, see.
Okay. All right, Mr. Pleasant, good morning again. Go ahead and get yourself seated someplace where you can be still, please.
All right, go in there. Sorry.
It's okay. All right. So what we discovered, Mr. Pleasant, is that you're here for a show cause hearing on one ticket that I have today that's got 3 counts on it. But you have a number of other old tickets that are going to cause you a problem because you got warrants out. So we're going to get rid of the warrants on those tickets and give you a date to come back on the ones that aren't getting addressed today. Okay. Because you don't want to have these lingering out here. But we'll begin by calling ticket number P1917487 and all other related matters to City versus Jimmy Pleasant. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Jimmy Pleasant.
Your Honor, at this time, defense requests that they set aside any warrants in these matters and any defaults within the past year.
All right, thank you. Court will set aside any and all warrants, and court will also set aside any defaults on tickets that were received within the last year. Counsel.
Yes. At this time, Your Honor, defendant is going to request another hearing date in order to have these matters properly before the court.
All right, thank you. So we'll set a hearing date on those. As to the insurance, expired plates, and registration, have you viewed those documents?
He has the insurance is from it's someone else's car that he was driving, so he doesn't have insurance himself, but that the owner of the car he was driving had insurance on it.
Has provided the proof of insurance there, and he's just shown me his proof of registration and plates. So what I'm going to do with this 2026 ticket that's before me now, the insurance, plates, and registration, I'm going to dismiss those charges for compliance. All these other tickets are much older. They're like 2020 and 2021. So we'll get rid of the ones that are before me, these recent ones today. You're going to come back and deal with your old tickets. Okay. All right. So, let's see what I can have you come back. For the record, Madam Court Reporter, the ticket with the counts I'm dismissing is P1917487, counts 1, 2, and 3. And then these others, we're going to set you for a new pretrial date. I need you to zoom back in August the 19th at 8:35 a.m. Okay. And you may be able to.
You said 5. Can you say that one more time?
Yes, August 19th at 8:35 a.m.
Oh, 8:35.
Yes. And a lot of these, let's see. Is your license valid now?
Yes. But
Okay.
then they just tried to suspend it because of this ticket.
Okay, well, luckily this one's going to go. And then because you've got a lot of the ones you're going to come back for also have to do with registration, insurance, and driver's license. So if you have those things in order, you'll get a better treatment on that day, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, all right. Have a good day. We'll see you then.
But I don't have a car. I don't have a car right now. So,
That's okay. You'll talk to the attorney about that when you come back the next time. You'll
all right,
talk to them
thank
about
you.
all of that, okay?
All right, thank
All
you. I
right.
appreciate it.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
You too.
Okay. Free trial on these. I need some paper, please. Nice. Thank you. Okay. Do we have another house counselor just to review?
Tamika Tucker.
Hmm.
Tamika Tucker.
Bring Mr. Patton out. Good morning, Attorney Tucker.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I am doing good. I just had a quick question.
Yeah.
I
And
have
before we
some.
do that, just,
Oh,
I
sorry.
wanted to, I'm gonna need you for Devin Patton, because I don't, it just says dismiss 6, so I don't know which ones.
Yeah,
So
yes,
it-
that is not a problem, Your Honor. I've kind
Okay.
of figured that there's like 13 tickets.
And then on Kyle Powell, yeah, Kyle Powell has other tickets in warrant status.
Yes, I wrote all of them down.
Okay. Attorney Horn is not here with us today. You may be able to get an offer from Attorney Stevens, but otherwise, if you can't, we'll pull the warrants and we'll give them a date to come back so that Attorney Horn can deal with all the tickets at once.
Okay.
Okay. Ms. Turcott, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm going to place you in a breakout room with an attorney.
Okay.
Go ahead and join the breakout room and they'll be there shortly to see you.
All right, thanks.
What are we
can't
going to
get
do,
Devin
Mr. Patton, now?
I'm trying to get him out. Can you go tell him to please come to the main session?
I will.
Thank you. Mr. Patton, good morning. Please unmute. Turn your camera on.
Good morning.
Thank you. Good morning. All right, calling ticket number U713299725 and all other related matters on today's docket to City versus Devin Patton. Counsel, your appearance, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Tucker, P85402, on behalf of Devin Patton.
Thank you, Mr. Patton. State your name for the record, please.
This is Devin Patton.
Thank you. All right, so as we discussed, Mr. Patton, you're here for, oh, I'm sorry. Go ahead, counsel. That was
Your
on
Honor,
Powell.
he's here today for arraignment on a bench warrant. We ask that the warrant be set aside and he waives the formal reading, stand mute, ask for a not guilty plea to be entered.
All right, thank you. Warrants will be set aside. Court notes formal reading has been waived, enters a not guilty plea on your client's behalf.
Okay, Your Honor, there is an offer from the people. Ticket, U-ticket ending in 725
Mm-hmm.
and SP ticket ending in 113 would be a 3-month delayed sentence.
Sorry, I'm trying to get to 113, which I don't see. I don't see a ticket ending in 113. Can you give me a full ticket number?
Yes, ma'am. SP 191971113.
1919. I don't have that
Mayor-
one in the file. Can you give me an ROA?
I need to take a number in.
One more time, council. We don't have that ticket in the file. We're gonna have to pull the ROA.
Yeah, SP 191971113.
Okay, I have 1919. I have a ticket in
19197.
1919 that has a driving while license not valid.
No, this
just
is
don't have it.
marijuana in a motor vehicle.
Okay, yep, I don't have that one. Okay, but I've got the ROA now. All right, so both of those would be a 3-month delay. Okay.
Yes. And then we have ticket number SP 175-75643 would be reduced to a failure to display.
Okay, 6, 4, 3. Okay.
642 would be reduced to improper plates.
Okay.
And then ticket ending in 112 would be reduced to improper plates.
112.
And ticket ending
Hold
in
on,
11.
hold on,
Oh,
hold on,
sorry.
hold on. I don't
Sorry.
have, I need a full ticket number on 112. It doesn't appear to be in the file.
Okay, SP 191971112.
Oh, that's that same one that I don't have. Okay, and what's happening with that one?
It's being reduced to improper plates.
Okay,
And then SP 191971111 is being reduced to a failure to display. And then the remaining 7 dismissed.
all right, thank you. I'm just gonna go through the tickets I have in the file, make sure I know which 7 are being dismissed. Give me just a moment. Okay. Got 1 count here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. I think I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to go through the dismissals because I'm missing files.
No problem, Your Honor.
If you'll just read off the tickets that are being dismissed to me, I'll write them down, make sure Madam Clerk gets them.
Okay, the first one is U 713-29825.
Okay,
The next one is SP 19089431.
okay,
SP 145-02061.
mm-hmm,
SP 148-19191.
okay, got that one.
SP 17575-641.
There it is. That's the one we didn't have. Okay. And then I have SP 1908942 and SP 1785898. We found the missing
Yes.
ticket. Okay, thank you. All right. Now, Mr. Patton, does all this sound correct to you that you're pleading to 6 things, 7 being dismissed?
Yes, it do. I didn't see
And-
I didn't see the other ticket though.
What other ticket?
The one that supposed to been the occupancy, legal occupancy. for
Yeah,
the
that one
season.
was red, so that one's being dismissed.
Oh,
Yeah.
perfect. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, perfect.
Anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today other than what I said?
Nope. Nobody promised me
Anyone
nothing.
force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Stop walking around, please. Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it true, sir, that on August 6th of 2025 in the area of Chalfonte and Tracy, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit without proper plates due to a lack of registration?
Mr. Patton,
Yes.
Did you hear my question?
Yes, I heard you. I said yes.
You didn't say yes.
No,
What's going on over there to your right that you can't give me your attention?
No, I was
Because
looking.
we got a number of pleas to take, and I don't want to keep doing this 3 times because you got your attention somewhere else.
No, I was looking at the polls. That's all. I was looking at the voting. I work for the voting, so I was seeing who was winning the voting right now. That's all. But yes, yes.
I love voting too. I happen to be a fellow voter, but we're in court right now, and I
I know.
need you to look at me so we can finish your plea.
Okay.
Once again, sir, is it true that on August 6th of 2025 in the area of Chalfonte and Tracy that you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of registration?
Yes.
Is it also true that you were not able to display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. Is it also true, sir, that on June 23rd of 2026 in the area of Hubble and Linden that you were consuming marijuana in a vehicle that was operating on a public roadway in the passenger area?
Yes. Well, no.
Is
I'm
it
not.
also true that on that date you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
And is it also true that at that date and location you were unable to display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Thank you. One moment, please. For those of you who have just arrived, good morning. I'm going to place you in breakout rooms to meet with an attorney before I hear your matter. When you see the invitation to the breakout room, please go there. We'll start back at room 3, Brandon Page, April Taylor, room 4, Eduardo Perez, room 5, Attorney Henney. You have co-host Attorney Stevens here for the city. You may meet with her in room 2 if you need to do so.
I'm sorry, what was that room for the prosecutor?
Room 2.
Thank you.
Mhm. And finally, Mr. Patton, is it true that on March 15th of 2025, that you were operating a business without a license in the city of Detroit?
No.
Okay. And so,
Dismissing it already. I mean,
I'm sorry.
I said you already dismissing it, so I feel like I might as well already plead guilty to it, but I wasn't though at the time.
So you have 2 of these U tickets. One of them is for illegal occupation. The other one is for operating a business in the city of Detroit without a license. You have 2 of them. One of them is being dismissed pursuant to your plea. The other one pursuant to your plea will be dismissed in 3 months as long as you don't get any similar tickets and you pay the $190 fine.
I'll do it.
So once again, were you operating
I
a
wasn't.
business in, okay, well then I'm not going to accept that plea. The
Your
other
Honor, let's
ticket
just
is,
set these for trial.
But I
Okay.
mean, I said I'm gonna go ahead and take it because I don't want to keep going through it off the process when I could
so
just.
the other U ticket that you have, sir, is for, looks like that same date and location. Well, this is, it looks like maybe a day before. This one is written for, it looks like loitering in a place of illegal occupation.
Right, and I wasn't even there. That's why I said.
Okay, then you shouldn't plead guilty to things you did not do. Okay. All right. What that means though, Mr. Patton, is that I have to set everything for trial because they do run together.
The 2 tickets, just those 2?
All of them
Even my
have to
parking
get
tickets?
set. And the reason, well, I don't deal with parking tickets. The other kind of paper tickets I do. Here's why. The number of counts that you're dealing with affects the plea offer that you're getting, right? So
Right.
it influences what they're going to keep, what they're going to dismiss. And so when I set a trial, then it's like it wipes the whole deal off the table. And then the city
Right.
attorney has to look at everything again. It may be, these U tickets are sometimes dismissed because they lack,
Significant. Okay, I'm gonna take the deal.
detail. They don't have the right amount of detail, sorry.
Yeah.
And like this one just written illegal occupation. I don't, if you're saying you weren't there and you didn't do it, I don't even know how to make a factual basis there. So probably best to set it for trial. But that means they're all going to get set. Doesn't mean you won't get a deal on the date of trial. They will likely make you another offer on the date of trial, but you'll have a chance to talk with the attorney, see if the officer shows up and dispute the fact that you were ever at that location. Okay.
Yeah. But it's still getting dismissed today if I take the deal or I just pay the money.
Well, yes, it won't be dismissed today. It would be dismissed in 3 months because you have to, it's called a delayed sentence. And the terms of that delayed sentence are that you have to not get any similar tickets for 3 months and pay off the fine, which is $190. As long as you do those 2 things, then it gets dismissed off your criminal record. But you do have to admit guilt, and that means you're going to have to either admit that you were loitering in a place of illegal occupation or that you were operating a business without a license in the city of Detroit.
Let's take the deal.
And it's one thing to do a no contest plea. If you're saying you weren't even there, like this is some kind of mistaken identity, that's different.
I just go ahead and take the deal because it's been so long with this situation. I kind of now just taking care of it, and you giving me a deal, so I'm feeling like that's better off than taking it to trial. And they going to bust everything down and look at stuff.
I understand. And you're allowed to listen. You're allowed to make that decision under Michigan law, but you are going to have to admit guilt.
Right.
So you're going to have to admit that you were either on March 16th. At an address on Finkel that you were operating a business without a license, or that on the day prior at that location that you were loitering in a place of illegal occupation. I don't know which one.
Your Honor, so he's saying that he wasn't there for the 825. That's the one that's going to be dismissed.
Okay, then the 725.
So it's 2 tickets. One they wrote when I wasn't there. One they must have wrote when I was there at the building.
Correct.
Oh, okay. Now it makes sense because I was cleaning out the building at that time. So that makes more sense now. Okay, that makes more sense.
And so what this ticket says is that you were present or loitering in a place of illegal occupation. And if that's a place where there was an illegal business being operated, then it would be true that you were present in a place of illegal occupation. But again, my job is not to force people into guilty pleas. My job is to make sure that any plea you enter is fair, knowing, voluntary, and so, but Michigan law will allow you to admit guilt, but, because you want to take the deal, but, you do have to be able to make that admission. And if you can't, we probably should set it for trial so that at least you have a chance to say to the city attorney, which is what it sounds like you're saying to me is, somebody who had a business of illegal, somebody was running an illegal business, but it wasn't me. I was there to do the clean out. That's what it sounds like you're saying to me. And if that's what you're saying to me, that might be something the city attorney is interested in knowing as part of the deal that they are going to make to you. I don't know. Attorney Henney, good morning. Ms. Powell, good morning. I'm going to place you in a breakout room so that you can meet with Attorney Henney.
Your Honor,
Yes.
we're waiting until the officer to come from Miss Powell until 10 o'clock. For Taylor, we're dismissing it because the officer has no recollection. I believe Mr. Taylor is having trouble with Zoom. He wants to know if there's a phone number you can call into.
Can you give the number, please?
I'm actually here. This is
Oh, he's here.
Okay, good. All right, we got you.
Sorry about
Thank
that,
you.
Honor.
Just came in. Okay. All right. So, Attorney Carpenter, good morning, giving you co-host. So I just, Mr. Patton, it sounds like we need to set everything for trial. And what's going to happen on the day of trial is the city attorney will talk with the attorney here. And you can tell them whatever it is that you want to tell them about these tickets.
I'm gonna take the deal because I really just want to get it over with. I'm not gonna see it.
All right. Is it true that on March 15th, 2020, I can't read the writing, of 2025, at this address on Finkel, that you were loitering in a place of illegal occupation?
Yes.
Okay. All right, counsel, are you satisfied with the factual basis?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right. Okay, Mr. Patton, you're going to have a number of fines, but I want to talk to you about how you need to prioritize them. Okay.
Yes.
So on your loitering illegal occupation ticket, that fine is $190. And you have to get it paid in 90 days.
Okay.
Same thing with your marijuana ticket. The fine is $190. Well, here, that one I can reduce to $100 to help you, because it's on the same ticket as a couple of other ones. So that one I'll reduce to $100. So that means that you would have 90 days to pay $290. It's got to get paid. It's about $100 a month. Okay.
Okay.
All right. That's how you got to keep this deal in place and not get any other tickets like this. And then we have some other fines that you need to pay. One of them, two of them being $190 and two of them being $100. On those, you can get on a longer term payment plan. Okay.
Yes.
You do that by going to the cashiers on the first floor and telling them that you need a long-term payment plan on these tickets. And you have 90 days to even get that started with a down payment. Okay. But you've got to prioritize these 3-month delays.
I'm gonna go
Those
ahead and
two
pay them all
tickets,
one time.
marijuana and your illegal occupation ticket, have to be paid in the 90 days to keep your deal. Okay.
Okay.
All right. The other ones you can get a payment plan on. I'm going to have you come back if you need to on November 3rd. And the only reason you would have to come back is if you don't get these tickets paid or you pick up a similar ticket so that we have to talk about your delayed sentence. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. I know this was a lot. All right. Have a good day.
You too.
Thanks. Bye. Okay.
Did you dismiss the other ones, Your Honor? Sorry.
Yes, they're all dismissed.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right. So I've got Ms. Powell with Attorney Henney. Sounds like this other person here is your client, Attorney Henney. I do have Attorney Stevens. I do have an attorney in the attorney meeting room in room 2 waiting to speak with you.
Hop in there.
And let's see, we've got someone in room 9 that I know counsel was dealing with. And then I don't know, Soroki, if you don't have anything, could you help with room 3? I can move them to 4 if it's better for you to do that, but the SOS is revoked.
Yeah, we're ready to move forward with Keon Taylor.
Okay. Calling ticket number P1903480, City versus Keon Talley. Counsel?
Wade Henny appearing on behalf of Mr. Taylor, P number 88590.
Thank you. Mr. Tally, state your name for the record, please.
Yes, Keon Towie.
Thank you. Counsel?
This will be dismissed because the officer has no recollection.
Okay, thank you. All right, ticket is dismissed with prejudice for the officer's inability to recall. Mr. Tally, have a good day.
Thank you so much. You too.
Thank you. And your other matter, Attorney Henny?
Ms. Powell, we're waiting until 10 o'clock for the officer to check in.
All right, thank you. Ms. Powell, I'm going to put you in a waiting room. We'll see when the officer shows or if they show. Mr. Tally, you can disconnect. Have a good day.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful morning. Thank you, Mr. Henny.
Thank you.
Absolutely,
All right.
Mr.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Powell, I'm going to place you in room 7. Just go ahead and join room 7, please. All right. And then I have Ms. Turcott. Did you come back out on your own? Or did counsel send you out?
I got sent out.
Okay.
Officer hasn't appeared, and he's not on the sick list.
What time was it scheduled for?
8:30.
Okay, all right. All right, your officer has failed to appear. It's now an hour past the time that he was to appear in your matter. Calling ticket number P1925703, City versus Amanda Turcott. Ms. Turcott, just state your name for the record, please.
Amanda Turcott.
Thank you, Ms. Turcott. Your case was scheduled for trial at 8:30 this morning. Time is now after 9:30 a.m. and the officer has failed to appear. Your ticket is being dismissed for no officer at this time. What that means is it's dismissed without prejudice. They can attempt to refile it. If they're successful in doing so, you would get a notice to come back and see me, but it's not the norm.
Okay.
All right, have a good day.
All right. Thank you. You too.
Thank you. All right, Officer Canada, good morning. Please go to room 1 to meet with the city attorney.
Good morning. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Taylor, she's here in person. She has her proof.
Great,
I made a copy and put it in the file.
thank you. All right. We can bring Ms. Taylor in. Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Taylor. Come on up. How are you?
Fine.
Good. All right, I'm calling ticket number P1919552, City versus April Taylor. I've got 1 count of no insurance and 1 count of improper place. Just state your name for the record for me.
April Taylor.
Thank you. Thank you for coming down and bringing us your proof of insurance and registration. I'm going to go ahead and dismiss both of your tickets at this time based upon those proofs, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
This as well.
I don't know. Did Soroki say he was going to go into 3? Mhm. Good morning, Officer Al Khalil. How are you this morning? Officer Al Khalil, please unmute. I don't understand what's going on. What is Brandon Page? Is this a pretrial?
Brandon on the bench warrant, he has,
Does he have warrants?
no, just these.
All right, looks like, are you ready on Perez?
Yes, Your Honor.
And the officer is here. Officer Canada,
Good morning.
how are you this morning?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. Okay. Calling ticket, Mr. Perez, good morning to you. Go ahead and turn your camera on for me, please. Calling ticket number P1907720, City versus Eduardo Perez. Counsel?
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Reese Carpenter, P number 88895 on behalf of Eduardo Orlando Perez. Can you please state your full name for the record?
Eduardo Orlando Perez.
And then,
Thank you.
Your Honor, because my client had valid insurance, the prosecutor has indicated to me that she's willing to dismiss both counts, and that would be for best interest of justice.
All right. Thank you. Officer Canada, would you please unmute, state your name for the record?
Officer Michael Canada.
All right, thank you. Thank you for your appearance today. The motion to dismiss in the interest of justice is granted. Your tickets are dismissed. Mr. Perez, thank you for your appearance, Officer Canada.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. All right. Attorney Tucker,
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
I'd asked Attorney Soroki to take room 3, but I don't know if he did, but you've got Kyle Powell ready now. Okay, we'll deal with that.
I do.
one. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. I'm still working with the patent file, so. We need just a moment.
On March 2026 are the ones that have the warrant.
Okay, thank you.
Your
Right.
Honor, he also has
Call-
3 tickets in default too that the people are willing to bring out a default as a part of the plea.
Okay, I can see them. All are from 2026, so that's fine. All right, calling ticket number X4697995, P1869375, and P1869407. All of these are City versus Kyle Brandon Powell. Noting for the record that the ticket ending in 995, count 2, is a defaulted ticket for 11 to 15 over. And then ticket ending in 3751 is in default for improper lane usage. And then ticket ending in 4071 is in default for no valid registration. Counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Tucker, P85402 on behalf of Kyle Powell.
Thank you. Mr. Powell, unmute, turn on your camera, please, and state your name for the record.
Yeah, my
Thank
name
you.
is Kyle Powell.
Thank you. Counsel.
Yes, Your Honor. So today is the date for a show cause. There is an offer by the people. The ticket ending in 951 is there's an offer to reduce that to a failure to display. Ticket ending in 952. There is an offer to reduce that down to speeding 1 to 5. And ticket ending in 753. Reduce that to improper plates and dismissal of the balance.
All right.
So I guess I should
And
ask
do
Your
you-
Honor to take the ones out of default and set aside the bench warrants on the other 2 tickets.
Thank you. So court will remove the default, set aside the warrants, and we are incorporating these into the plea so that they are dismissed pursuant to the plea. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. Right, Mr. Powell, does all of that sound correct to you?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything else to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Did anyone force, threaten, or coerce you into a guilty plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial and the rights that you would have at a trial? Did counsel advise you that you have the right to a trial, sir?
Oh, yes.
And did she advise you of the rights that you would have at a trial?
Yes.
And do you understand you won't have those rights if I accept your plea today because there will not be a trial?
Yes.
Thank you. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth?
Yes.
Thank you. All right. Is it true, sir, that on March 9th of 2026 in the area of Shane and Antietam, that you were operating a vehicle without proper plates due to a lack of insurance?
Yes.
Is it true, sir, that on May 23rd of 2026 in the area of Belle Isle and Loiter Way, that you were operating a vehicle in the city of Detroit and could not display a valid license to the officer upon request?
Yes.
Is it also true that you were going at least 1 mile per hour over the posted speed limit at that time?
Yes.
Thank you. Counsel satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Thank you. Sir, on your failure to display an improper plate, each of those is $190. Your 1 to 5 over speed is $125. I'm giving you 90 days to do one of 2 things, and that is pay your tickets off in full or get on a payment plan with the cashiers on the first floor by giving them a down payment within the 90 days to keep this deal in place, okay?
Okay.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll go talk to room 3 now.
Thanks so much. If Soroki's not in there already, I don't even know. Let's see. Nope, that would be great. Thank you. All right, Mr. Powell, have a good day.
All right, you too.
Thank you. Josh Till, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How are you this morning?
I'm trying to be okay.
All right, I'm going to get you into breakout room and attorney's going to come in there and speak with you, okay?
Do we know where the prosecutor went? There's no offer for Mr. Page.
No, I don't. I do not. Is he a trial case?
No, he's an arraignment on the bench warrant.
Oh, okay, let's take a look what he's got. Okay. Page. And can you see if Mr. Page has additional tickets, Madam Clerk?
He just has these
Just
three.
these? That's because they were waiting to see if he had any documents and what the status of his license is. He's still revoked. Does he
And
have
he does-
insurance or reg?
He does not.
Yeah, that would normally be a failure to display, but we'll wait just a minute and see if she returns. He's a little late, so that's why he's missed the city attorney. So soon as, hopefully she'll come back to us before 10. Do we?
Yeah,
Who's that?
that wire. Mine on the back, but it was Ed Taylor's, Attorney Taylor's case. I forgot what the circumstances were.
Okay. Ms. Powell is the one that Henny is waiting with for the officer, correct? Natasha Powell. All right, Ms. Powell, I'm gonna put you back in a breakout room. You're going to 5. Please hit
Thank you.
join. We'll know by about 10 a.m. in about 5 more minutes what's happening with your case.
No, speaker was low.
All right, Mr. Till,
Yes, ma'am. I'm,
did you speak with the attorney?
yes.
Okay, thank you. All right. Calling ticket number P1919860, City versus Joshua Tillery, counsel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ellen Soroki, P374441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Joshua Tillery.
Your
Thank
Honor,
you.
today date and time set for show cause. Defendant requests that any warrants be set aside at this time.
Okay, court will set aside the warrant.
Okay, at this time also, Mr. Tillery is requesting a bench trial by Zoom.
All right. Our next bench trial date is going to be August the 26th. Do we need to appoint counsel here?
No, it's a house counsel should be able to take care of it, Your
All
Honor.
right. All right. So, Mr. Tillery, we're going to have you come back on August the 26th at 9:30 a.m. for your trial, okay?
Yes.
Just zoom in. Thank you. We'll see you then.
Thank you.
Okay.
Are we finished for the morning, Your Honor?
I think so. We've got one more left, Brandon Page, who Ms. Tucker was trying to work with, but we may have to have him come back, Attorney Tucker, because he was so late that he's missed the city attorney, and so he may need to come back. I'm fine with any day. I just don't want to push it too far out. So if he wants to return tomorrow or another day this week, that's fine with me.
Okay,
Okay,
I will
then,
let him
Judge.
know.
Okay, thank you. All right, thank you, Attorney Soroki. We're good.
Thank
You're
you.
good to go as long as Madam Clerk has any dates that you set.
Yeah, let me see if I said any dates.
I need to call this.
I
I need to call this ticket P1904448 City versus Natasha Powell. Council appearance, please.
yes. Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki,
It's Henny. It's Attorney Henny.
P37441.
It's Attorney Henny.
How you doing, Your Honor? Wade Henny on behalf of Ms. Powell, P number 88590. Your Honor, we were waiting to see if the officer showed up.
Right, there's been no officer. Ms. Powell, please unmute, start your video. It's now 10 a.m. No officer has appeared or notified the court as to a reason for their non-appearance. Do you have a motion, Attorney Henny?
Yes, motion to dismiss, Your Honor.
Right, dismissal is granted without prejudice. Ms. Powell, state your name, please.
Natasha Powell.
Thank you. Without prejudice means that the officer could try to refile it at a later date. If they were successful in doing so, you'd come back and see me again. But as for now, the ticket is dismissed, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a great day.
You too. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Your Honor, thank you for this morning. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you. You have a great day, Attorney Henny.
Oh, okay. I told Mr. Page to come back tomorrow morning at 8:30.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you, Attorney Tucker.
Thank you.
We'll be on for a while because we've got a 10:30 trial scheduled, so we'll be sitting here, but you're welcome to go. I don't know that we'll have anybody else show up, and they'll probably be told to return another day since we've lost city attorney.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Good one. Bye. Good morning again, Attorney Stevens.
Good morning. I was just coming back to check in and see if any of the officers had appeared for the trials that are pending.
Nope, Natija Powell, officer, did not appear. There's another one where officer did not appear. You did have your officer Perez, that plea was taken. Yeah, and then we have one trial scheduled for 10:30.
Okay.
But that's that. Other than that, we're just kind of sitting and waiting because everything's done.
Oh, okay, great. I am also in Perkins, so I can hang out here for a little bit, see if the officer shows up for the 10:30, and then I'll pop back over there.
Okay, however you want to handle it, it's fine with me.
All
Okay.
right, thank you.
Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry. We need to do that again because my court reporter is on Zoom and she needs to be able to take a record. Give me just a moment. Are we unmuted?
We're unmuted.
Okay. All right. All right. Once again, calling ticket number P13890003, City versus Katrina Thomas. Ms. Thomas, just state your name for the record, please.
Katrina Roxanne Thomas.
Thank you. Okay, so you've got three tickets in front of me. One of them is going to be old, which is the expired plate. I can't really do anything with that one. But then you have a failure to display a valid license and a no insurance. We have just checked with Secretary of State is showing that your license is still not valid. Are you planning to do something about that?
Yeah, I am. When I get a car.
Okay, all right. So the reason I'm asking is because I'm gonna have to give you a date to come back because we've already lost our defense attorneys who you need to speak with before I hear your matter. It's much better actually to Zoom in because then you can get a private conversation with the attorneys, which is what you want to have. Okay. But we've got these two tickets. I'm gonna have to give you a date, but when you come back, you can zoom in. And if you have, if you've gotten your license and your insurance by then, these would likely be dismissed.
Okay.
If not, then they'll make you a deal of offer of some sort, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna have you return on August the 19th
Okay.
at 8:35 a.m.
Okay.
Zoom in, here's the thing, sometimes I have 10 cases on the docket, sometimes I have 40. And if you're late, you're number 40.
Okay.
And that's not a lot of fun, okay?
Okay.
All right,
So you
so
said, August,
August 19th at 8:35 a.m.
okay,
Okay, we'll see you back then by Zoom.
thank you.
All right, have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you, have a good one.
No, this is different. Okay. This one is. Okay. Thank you. Back to you.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Page. I'm going to go ahead and get you into a breakout room. Your attorney will be here shortly. You're going to go into room 3, okay?
All right.
Thank you. Good morning. Would you call Attorney Taylor? Hey, Attorney Taylor, your client is in room 3. We have Attorney Stevens here for the city today.
Okay, room 3. All right, thank you.
Client is in room 3. Thanks. Attorney Taylor, you have a motion for me, I take it?
No.
No? I almost did that. Here we go. Sorry, coming around the mountain.
Can you bring Mr. Page out, Your Honor?
Yes, yes, sir. Mr. Page, good morning again. Calling ticket number P1885781. City versus Trinian Page, 3 counts, disobeying lawful order, open alcohol in a motor vehicle, improper transportation of usable marijuana. Counsel.
Morning, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Mr. Page. Mr. Page, would you introduce yourself to the court, please?
Trinian Page.
Thank
Your
you,
Honor,
counsel.
Your Honor, today is the time set for trial. It's my understanding the officers have not checked in, so we are dismissal, Your Honor.
Thank you. Trial was set for 10:30 a.m. this morning, a little outside of our normal time. We generally allow the officers about 30 minutes to appear. Although we've been here all morning since 8:30, have not seen Officer McNeese this time, although I think he did appear before. At this time, counsel, your motion to dismiss for the officer's failure to appear is granted. Mr. Page, that dismissal is without prejudice. That means that they could try to refile it at a later date, and if they were successful in doing so, you'd come back and see me again and we'd start working through it, okay?
All right.
It's not the norm, but it does sometimes happen. As for now, it is, these tickets are dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Page, I'll be in touch. Take care.
All right. Thank you.
Yep, no.
Okay. Thank you so much, Madam Court Reporter.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Have a great day. Bye.
Thank you.
See you later.